The first item we're going to do is navigate to qpp.cms.gov, which we will land on a page that will allow us to sign in. At the top right corner, we can click Sign In, which will bring us to our account page where we can enter in our user ID and password to access the QPP site. If you do not have an account, you can register for one on this page by clicking this register button, which will take you to a separate application process to create a user. So once I enter in my user information, I also need to make sure that I click yes, I agree, that I am, to the best of my knowledge, submitting only information that is true, accurate, and complete. So I click sign in. We will hit the landing page that shows us the information associated with what we can potentially do. And we can see that the performance year for the 2019 is now open. So our option for start reporting, once we click on this, it will take us over to our eligibility pages. For this specific user, you can see that they are associated with a registry, a virtual group, as well as a practice. By default, it will land on the practice page. And this specific user also has 3 different groups that they are associated with. The first one is part of a virtual group, and you can see that this is giving you notification that because they are part of a virtual group, the expectation is the submission will be at the virtual group level. Any type of data that is not reported at the virtual group level will be considered voluntary. A submission at the virtual group level is required in order to not receive a negative payment adjustment. The second group that's here, you can see, is MIPS exempt, but also opt-in eligible. At this point, you could potentially change your opt-in status. And then the last group that we have is a MIPS eligible group that has information that is letting us know that we can report as a group or report as individuals. If you click on report as individuals, it will take us to a page that shows our eligible clinicians, and then you could report via that mechanism.